Hello guys, today we will discuss our second topic of computer networks, that is a communication model. In many books it may be like the computer network models or it may be like data communication model. So every topic is the same thing here, don't get confused with the naming. So let's discuss what is exactly a communication model. It starts with the very first video of this subject, that computer network. The first video was what is exactly a computer networks. We have already discussed that what is exactly a computer network. It is a set of devices or system or nodes or points or computers which are linked by the communication medium or channel in order to share the data. That was the definition. So this definition totally depicts here. Let's see how. Before discussing it, let's discuss with an example that will be clarify you exactly. Suppose this is a person whose name is Tom and this is another person who is Jerry. Okay, so both want to chat or they are sending that data with each other. So let's see how exactly the communication model helps here. Suppose Tom opens its WhatsApp or Facebook and send the data, type the data hi. Okay, so according to communication model, what is exactly the Tom? Tom is a source or a sender who sends its data to the Jerry. Okay guys, this is the Jerry. So they are basically wants to communicate. So here according to the source is Tom and the Jerry is the destination where the data transfer from Tom to Jerry, or we can say source to destination. It may be like source may be called as a sender or it will be as a receiver. Okay guys, so don't get confused. So let's see, in many example it can be a computer workstation. Okay guys, so I'm taking the main example here side by side. See, Tom opens its application like Facebook and WhatsApp and type the hi. Okay, this is the textual message. Okay, textual message. Then what happens exactly? This message goes to the transmitter. Transmitter exactly a modem or router at the source system at our house. Like this is the source system where a sender has a modem or router in his house, and this hi message goes to the modem. Okay guys, how? This is the textual message in the device of mobile device. Okay guys, hi message converts into the bits. Okay, this is the digital bits 0 1. Computer knows only the bits form. Okay, so this system converted into digital bits. Then this bits goes to the modem. Okay guys, this is the transmitter exactly. Modem is a transmitter where what exactly modem does here? It does that, it converts or it encode or decode the data, converts this digital bits into the analog signal. This is the analog signal. Okay guys, so modem helps here the converting the digital bits into the analog signal. Okay guys, so this is both called as a source system. What exactly happened after that when we have the analog signal? Our data exactly this hi message goes to transmission system, or we can say the public telephone network. This is the system where we have taken the connection. Okay guys, like suppose we have the connection of Jio company or Airtel company or Vodafone company. So this message goes to their network. Okay guys, they does nothing, they just use to connect this source system to the destination system. Okay, so this analog system is does not change here, or suppose sometime student thought that this public network changes this signal. No, this doesn't change the signal, it just transmits the same signal here. Okay, this is the analog signal, this is also an analog signal. They just connect the source system and the destination system. Then after what happened? At the destination system, we can say there is a destination point. Okay, this is the receiver, which is in our example, which is a Jerry. Okay, Jerry's device. So before reaching to its mobile, it comes to the modem or the receiver. Okay guys, the same is transmitter and the receiver both are the same thing. Don't get confused. Like we have the example of modem, this is also a modem, but at the source system we say it a transmit because transmit, and this receiver because it received the data. So both taken as an example that this is the modem. Okay guys, so in this this analog signal is received by this modem. This modem converts this analog signal into the bits, okay, digital bits. Okay guys, like 0 and 1 form, or it's encode and decode the data. Same thing is done by the modem here, and same thing is done by here. Okay guys, so don't get confused. Then after that, this we get encode, we get decode the data here. We get this analog signal to digital bits. Why we are converting from analog to digital bits? Because this device, this Jerry's device, or every device understand the digital bits, that is a 0 and 1. We also know this. So this 0 and 1 bits goes to Jerry's mobile. This Jerry mobile processor or processor converts this digital bits into the exactly what was the data, textual data, that is was high. High was sent by the Tom. Okay, so this is basically a structure or a model or communication model which exactly work like this. So we have a source or sender one side, and this is the receiver or destination at one side. Don't get confused with that. This is also called a receiver, or we can also say the receiver. Don't get confused. If you have taken the source here, so that will be considered as a destination. Okay, if you have considered it as a sender, so it will be a receiver. So then take the different thing, we can say transmitter and receiver, we can say. We don't get this is a receiver and this is also a receiver. This is a receiver device and this is a receiver's modem. Okay guys, or another device, modem, switch, anything else. So data, basically textual data converted into the digital bits, then to the analog signal or the analog bits. Then after that, this analog signal converted to get into the encode and decode into digital bits. Then after it goes to the Jerry's mobile or the receiver's mobile and get convert back to the textual message, that is a high. So this is the way how the data flow or shared from one device to second device. First of all, I would like to clarify one more thing. In sometimes, suppose if it replies, okay, Jerry replies like hi, I'm okay. Suppose, so how it will happen? Hi, suppose I am good. Okay guys, let me see. First of all, is it written? Yes. Jerry replies that hi, I am good. Okay, so this time this Jerry become the source. Okay guys, the data from coming from this point to this point, so Jerry becomes the source or the sender, and this modem will be considered as a transmitter. So this is the communication from the both sides. So don't get confused. It always be the source or it always be the destination. No, when the data flow from the direction decided which will be the source or the destination. Okay, so this is all about the communication model. In the next video, we will discuss the network criteria, on what basis or what points on one matrix we should decide that this is the good basically the computer network, or we should develop a network system. Okay, so let's discuss in the second video. This is the network criteria. Thank you, and if you like this video, so please like and share. Thank you.